Good morning, students. Today's our topic is C programming language. Some of the features of C programming languages are C as a mother language. C language is considered as the mother language of all the modern programming languages because most of the compilers, JVM, kernels, etc., are written in a C language. These are the uh, these are the compilers, JVM, kernels are written in C programming language, and most of the programming languages will follow C syntax. For example, C++, C++ follow the programming language, and also Java, C Sharp, etc. C provides the core concept like the array. C provides the core concept like C provides the core concept like array, strings, functions, file handling, etc. that are being used in many languages like C++, Java, C Sharp, etc. This is the first feature. Second feature, C as a system programming language. C as a system programming language. A system programming language is used to create C as a system programming language and is used to create a system software. C language is a system programming language because it can be used to do low level programming. C language is a system programming language because it can be used to do low level programming. For example, driver and kernel. It is generally used to create hardware devices. C language is generally used to create hardware devices. Hardware devices. OS, drivers, kernels, etc. For example, Linux kernel is written in C language. It cannot be used for C language, it cannot be used for internet programming like Java, .NET, PHP. C cannot be used for internet programming like Java, .NET, and PHP. Next, third feature is C as a procedure language. C as a procedure language. C as a procedure language. A procedure is known as a function. Procedure is known as a function, method, routine, subroutine, etc. A procedure language specifies a series of steps of program the to step for the program to solve the problem. Procedure is known as a function. This is a third feature. A procedure language breaks the program into functions, data structures, etc. C is a procedure language. In C, variables and function prototypes must be declared before being used. In C, variables and function prototypes must be declared before being used. Fourth, C as a structured programming language. C as a structured programming language. C as a structured programming language. A structured programming language is a subset of the procedure language. Procedure language is the main. Structure means to break a program into parts or blocks so that it may be easy to understand. Structure it break into blocks or parts. In the C language, we break the program into parts using functions. It makes the program easier to understand and modify. Next feature, C as a mid-level programming language. C as a mid-level programming language. C considered as a middle-level language because it supports the features of both low-level and high-level languages. C language program is converted into assembly code. It supports pointer arithmetic, that is low level, but it is a machine independent. But C language is a machine independent, not depends on machine. but it supports pointer arithmetic, a feature of high level. A low level language is specific to one machine, that is machine dependent. It is machine dependent, fast to run, but it is not easy to understand. A high level language is not specific to one machine. That is machine is independent. That is machine is independent. It is easy to understand. Thank you.